Hello everybody, today is International Youth Day. It's a day to celebrate young people's role in bringing about change by tackling today's global challenges. It's a day to empower young people and put the spotlight on their needs and their aspirations. It's also a day with special relevance for Somalia, as the country has a long history of youth-led change. A country's youth are a tremendous asset. They have the potential to drive positive change and contribute to peace and development. Somalia is very lucky in this respect. It has one of the youngest populations in the world. More than 80% of its people are under the age of 35. So on this International Youth Day, I have 3 messages. First, I encourage everyone to recognise and support the role of young people in peace and development. Secondly, I ask leaders and elders to ensure that young people have a seat at the table when decisions are made about the future of Somalia. And thirdly, I encourage you, the young Somalis, to continue to engage constructively with each other and with your communities to find common ground and to find solutions. On behalf of the United Nations in Somalia, happy International Youth Day.